I gave AI one headphone image and challenged it to make this.
The entire commercial started with this one image. No 3D model, no manual animation, just AI. I first generated the prompts section by section to build the commercial, copying first prompt and pasting it to Google Flow to generate the first image. After adding the finalized reference image, choosing the settings of the image in 16:9 ratio model to Nano Banana and click Generate. You can generate images for free as much as you want. Now wait for the final result. Take a look at this impressive result. For the second shot, I wanted something more impressive, the headphone actually assembling itself. So for this, I gave the prompt to get the image with assembling effect and went with same settings. Let's see what I got. Take a look at this, how impressive results are. Once the headphones were complete, I wanted the camera to get much closer and make the product feel genuinely premium. For this, I copied shot 3 prompt. So I created the next shot around the details, reflections, and cinematic camera movement. But the commercial still needed something that made it feel real. So I introduced a character who actually wears the headphones instead of just showing the product. Once all the keyframes were ready, it was time to turn them into actual video. I started with the first keyframe, used a dedicated video prompt to control the camera and movement. You should select the video ratio in which you generated your images, as in my case, I generated it in 16:9 ratio. So choosing that, and then select the video duration as per need, and after selecting all the options, click at Generate. Now take a look at the result, how impressive it is. Then I did the same for the assembly shot, making the movement continue naturally from the previous scene. Then generating the final shot from prompt. And for the final shot, I wanted to make the commercial feel more real. And finally, I animated the character so it actually feels like he is listening to the headphones. Now all clips are ready, but before you see the final result, if you found this tutorial helpful, show your love by liking and sharing this with subscribing this channel. After generating all 4 shots, I put them together and let the transitions connect the entire commercial.
I tested it. Now it's your turn. Want this exact prompt? Comment prompt below and I'll drop it in the comments. And if you're finding this useful, show some love with a like and share.